Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi.
Biya umwanchu muri weta sene kyandize TV ne chinga kichinde ngo kwarigania twemanyamangana magia asenchera iyo wenge chitariki ni 13 umutenye okane mwaka bwechirwe ne 2024 nani ko charagire chinsa isano na ibere chabono mugaso iretariane Dorcas Kemuma nandi ngo to chukubwatana nare Lydia Mose oyo komanya gwetera senchera yimenyere nere Felistas Kabendi kwene kingamari gene chibicha awikera senchera yo wikera nona bogoto bwatya wetera senchera yemetandao asensemo ya Facebook watonyaruna Ndizi TV News Digital ensemo ya YouTube notorobuna Ndizi TV News nabayigo aso mtandao we website notorobuna www.ndizitv.net. Amenye korwase kinyoro kya mwasi ekigotoka se ward ya Kitutu Central imeye bunge ya Kitutu Chache South county ya Kisii ni gobono be murunganirie okomentekana kwebikore byobosari ase kinyoro kyo nigo baborire serikali kwene kingango tinya bare oborende ase nsemeyo kurengana na barabo nigo batebuna nigo abantu batamanyire babeire bakubasagana ase babeire bagoswa chinyomba cyabo gwetero kubuna nabo igo kuiba enibo yabo.
Gabu.
Margaret Steve abantu babiri bagutuchanda asama tukamanyi bagota baita iguru yigita baso compound mostly bagotage chigari abantu bari bagwata chigari bata uregari barusie gento kende yonskero na last time bajete bakarusie bakatagore gari bakarusi tibasiarenge gari bakaira. It's not 2 months, actually it's 1 month. Nende baira ndende bajere batagore gari around ye banyora kendenge nende bagenda banyora ibintu byarengo babuguri ono gakya abantu abato chandire
Jebwe gatingo kora kende yongo sabanga bali bausigete bayire gitambukiro egere oburendi bo bega igobya asenge ncho ndoje ng'abantu abangwitani bali naende bono ebwenete bayire gitambukiro egere abantu abause abantu mbanyora omurembega nchaina rondoche nganiti aseke nyorekeiga egere kiagere sana tali awuka
ina ibere twekenereta tugasirayo twaripotirie twatangazire kerase nyumba 10 batureti community police lakini gene ngera iwa Steve Ndonste ya irirwe na ntoka ntete kuchanda.
Mwancho mlito sabo kwa virase eburukane jiyo ye metambo toko skawo chimote nigo imambi ya lero abanyanyimbo babe kabyara egari yo ye mugetie nye chuguni kumine nye chenya sore ase para ya kisi gocha keroka kurende nigo murundi abwegari yo abakagotama ase abanyanyimbo babire gosebare bichuko byo kumurigia umurundi yo bwegari yo akagukwana nabararia omo speed o Kitutu Central Kazungo Charo asegeta sene kya abanyanyimbo kya Kisi Central nigo ababe osenigo bagikirie egekorekyo asebatabuna nigo barachi kobeka omokya nakwene kinga ngokora bare amaryogo yo na obotumiki webinyugwa byo gotindia ase county ya Kisi.
Morning, our officers while on our routine patrols along Kisike Roka Road came across a motor vehicle which was being driven very suspiciously. The officers gave chase, and upon realizing that officers were on hot pursuit, it diverted on a feeder road, and eventually the driver lost control and landed into a ditch. Upon the arrival of the officers, it was established the vehicle, which is behind me here, a Toyota Hiace KCN 519Q, had 14 sacks, as you can see, stashed with brooms suspected to be cannabis sativa or bangi, which is also suspected to be destined either to Nairobi, Nakuru or Kericho. The driver of the vehicle managed to escape, but officers are on hot pursuit looking for him. He can run, but he cannot hide. We shall catch up with him, put him in custody, and process him very professionally.
Togotikana nayo gosika moto monjo murigereria nigo morayo wensa Dr. William Ruto arireira munanigo arache gwakana abari barachi gosaganwa nemenya mayo rusana bari bamenyetange na manani ya serikali ase barachi kwegwachi shilingi milioni 3 asorio ogosaganwa no bari barasirie amagemabo nigo barachi gwakana gwikachi besa shilingi milioni 5 nigo rutaringe kunyakwa nayo abo rituko rigoro ase county ya Laikipia chingaki arenge asomo yagabo kubeka orobeberwa umorero ase rinani ilya Laikipia asensemeyo ya Rimuruti.
We have close to 17,000 already assessed and verified cases of human-wildlife conflict with a cost of 7 billion shillings. We have so far compensated 4 billion shillings by the end of this compensation today. The others that are pending, almost 7,000 cases that have already been verified, my instructions are we should compensate those people in the next 60 days. We shouldn't wait for another 1 year, so that we can ensure that we build confidence between the public and conservation, so that we can recruit them, knowing very well that if wildlife get into their way, if wildlife destroy their property, if wildlife are engaged in human beings, there is a mechanism for
Chingaki chuboigo nigo Ruto atebetamuna nige serikali jerobeire boikirano elikwana kingankorwane bare na gukora obusaria asensito ya Kenya asatebetamuna nige serikali yagorire ebifa biri biganiri gukora gosebiganiri gukora oborendi ase chinsemo chiri chabeire gosaganwa asegika egetambe asatebetamuna abantu bari babere bagosagana abakenya bari go chigotwara murembe goika abantu abo bakore oika abantu abo batige bikore byo bibosagani gocha asaba Kenya na korenta omorembe gocha asa abantu obande.
Kwa sababu nilichukua ahadi kwenu na nikawaambia hii jambo la usalama sio la Laikipia peke yake, taifa lote la Kenya. Ni lazima kama nchi ambayo tumepata uhuru na tunajitawala, hatuwezi kukubali watu wachache waangaishe wananchi na watukoseshe mambo ya usalama. Na ndio sababu hiyo tumeweka mpango kamili. Pale nyuma tulikuwa na matatizo, askari wetu hawakukuwa na equipment ya kutosha ama vifaa ya kutosha. Tumeweka mpango ya karibu bilioni 25 kununua equipment mpya ya polisi wetu na walinda usalama. Sasa niko na equipment ya kutosha. Hawa wakora chuma chao kimotoni. Mimi nataka niwahakikishie ya kwamba hawa watu wa kuangaisha wananchi tutawashughulikia kikamilifu. Tumeleta hapa National Police Reserve 360. Habari niko nayo ni kwamba mambo ya usalama hapa imeshughulikiwa karibu 70-80, lakini kuna sehemu ambayo bado hatujakamilisha. Mimi nawatangazia hapa leo ya kwamba tutaongeza polisi wa National Police Reserve 250 wengine. Mpango yetu ikiwa ni kwamba kila kona, kila kijiji, kila mahali ambapo kuna matatizo ya usalama tutakuwa na askari wa polisi, tutakuwa na askari wa NPR na tutakuwa na vifaa ya kutosha. I want to give you my word and commitment. We are going to secure Laikipia County as we secure all the other counties of the Republic of Kenya.
Serikali ni goja sekire kampuni yokorosyo boyo ya Kel Chemicals aya maiga ye kampuni yo kubwatiranirwa na mamocho yokorosya oboyo botekeranti ekerengo agocha ase abalimi na kubwatoka oboyo gocha ase ekyage ya serikali aya nang ya osayega na mangana iyo mu waziri bobolimi mitikari nturi aboigora asa tebetabana gobona kampuni yo erachi gotigarage sekire oika na ekyo kibabwatiranti nobotuki koera.
From now henceforth, I want to announce that the government has withdrawn the manufacturing license for Kel Chemicals because investigations are going on. The blending plant for the fertilizer is now closed, and this is treated as a crime scene from now henceforth and until the investigations are over.
Chi county ni gobono charire ira yogochiko mokiria egetambukiro abanyagitari abo bare ase omogiro bwemeremo yabo akaukwana nabariki bamangana omo governor we county ya Tarakaniti Mitika Njuki Mdomi Njuki nigo atemna nigo abanyagitari abo bare ase omogiro bare mamincha yerichiko ase kigambiro kolengana nere nigo ekigambiro kyabeteke gotenenia omogiro bwemeremo yabo nagoteba boirane ase emeremo korende goikaboniga nigo abanyagitari batigaire kobera ase chinka cyabo obwatikana no mugiro oyo ase bona tebina nigo barachi korigereria engane yo bunere county yaye arachi ko tenenia emeshara goikachinga kichiri baracha ke kuirana emeremo yabo ase bono abaite goikari tukoria Jumatatu ase bono abaganire kuirana emeremo yabo ogose emeshara yabo ebeke gotenenia boigo niga county ya Kiambu boigo mugavana abete kako okwanera engane yo mugiro w'abanyagitari asa tebetabna konyemba kuirana ase emirimo yabo nigo emeshara yabo erachi goteneniwa.
Doctors via a court order by Justice Brian Ongaya on 15th of March, the strike was suspended. Item number 6 on the court order, or order number 6, which says, for avoidance of doubt, the strike notice reference number KMPDU LT 125/2024, dated 6th of March 2024, and any strike following therefore is hereby stayed or suspended to allow the whole of nation approach now instituted as well as ongoing negotiations and reconciliation to seek to arrive at a lasting reasonable solution to the current instant dispute. Meaning that the strike that has been there for the doctors, those who are on strike are in defiance or they are disobeying court orders. And therefore, as a county, we have no choice but to take the necessary action against any medical officer, any specialist under KMPDU who purport to be on strike that is protected. We'll take the necessary action on them, which I will say in a few minutes. Secondly, on the issue of the clinic officers and the lab technicians, I want to report to the people of Tharaka Nithi and Kenya that Tharaka Nithi County, through the legal department,
Omusubati omotang'ani emergency erire choruto nigo wono achakire emerobiri oyo gosira abasubati asense to ya Kenya ase litukore igoro alindi gosira omurobiri obwa abasubati ase oyumanyekina apan women ase orogongo rwanyaza ase bona tebinanere buya abasubati gosirwa asikiri nigo bakorenta goseba bakora emirimo emenge ase ense to ya Kenya korende n'abantu abake bakubabwata okoboko na kubasira asibono abaganira abasubati gwasoya asensemo yoborayi erinde nabarabu kwesokya no kwana eriogi kose wekwanira kora ase erio amarioge ayamo kubwatirana no goswa ase ebyombe ase engakeyo yegoroni gababwaturkete obokonye abaginabo kora ase kyombe kyo kyapan enyanza asa ababwaturkete obokonye wechishiringi emilioni eyamo bunenchira yamo yokobasira
that have hampered development in our communities and respective regions. Our coming together as professional women further supports the gender equity agenda of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, by enabling the full and effective participation by women and equal opportunities for leadership at all levels of decision making. Listening to the presentations today reminds me of Tom Boyer and the airlift program he organized. The first batch of 81 students touched down in New York City on 11th September 1959, and they were admitted to various universities in the United States and Canada. One of the beneficiaries of this initiative was Barack Obama Sr., the father of former US President Barack Obama, who joined the University of Hawaii. The Pan Women Initiative has the capacity to raise such powerful leaders and create programs that will impact generations for decades. Our coming together also creates a platform for synergy and common good, where we will bring together our resources, opportunities, and skills to support our sisters and brothers who may not be as privileged. We are doing this because we believe that everyone has unique abilities given by God for the good of the community and the nation. All we need sometimes is someone to hold our hand and show the way. I would like to recognize your patron, Honorable
Omwancho murigeria aigana onkobitorera amangana maya senchera yowenge kendra korigeta sene Kyandize TV eribwego ke bwesemye na kwemanya amange erietariane Dorcas Kemoma nani goto batanana Lydia Mose oyore gokumanya wetera asenchera yebimanyero nere Felistas Kabendi ane kinga Mario yene chibicha wekire asenchera yobwekirano to basagosuka to basakagendare omorobero orumbano stage kugochera urasore asigika getari egeke